Hello guys. So in this session, we are going to learn how to deploy a sample, that means the Hello World app using AWS SAM. So this is serverless. Okay. So in this session, we are going to learn how to deploy a sample Hello World app using AWS SAM serverless. So let's start. So here we are going to deploy a sample Hello World app using AWS SAM in Amazon EC2 instance. Okay. So as you can see, first of all, here I have successfully launched my instance and here I have successfully connected to my terminal. So you can see Amazon Linux. Okay. So here we are going to deploy the sample Hello World app using AWS SAM in Amazon EC2 instance. Okay. So let's start. So first of all, here to deploy the sample app, so we need to install Docker, AWS CLI, and SAM CLI also. Okay. So we need to install these prerequisites. Okay. So first of all, install AWS CLI, then zip, then unzip, and duplicate package. Okay. So let's install these packages: AWS CLI, zip package, unzip package, and wget package. So here we are going to run this one command to install these four packages, which AWS CLI, zip, unzip, and wget package. Okay. So the command is install AWS CLI, git, zip, unzip, wget, okay, and -y. So first of all, switch to root user. Okay. And let me clear screen first. Okay. And now let's install these packages. So as you can see, we have successfully installed these packages. So, okay, it's done. Then after that, we need to install Docker on this. So let's install Docker using this command, sudo yum install -y docker. So as you can see, it's installing Docker on this Amazon EC2 instance. Okay. As you can see, installed and completed. Okay. Then after that, if you want to check, sorry, if you want to start your Docker, then you can start your Docker. And if you want to check the status, then you can check the status. As you can see, it's active running. That means you have successfully installed, and you can see here 4 seconds ago. Okay. So it's done. We have successfully installed these packages. We have successfully installed Docker. Okay. Now add the EC2 user to the Docker group and verify. Okay. So let's add this user to Docker group. Okay. Then after that, verify the Docker installations and check if EC2 user can run Docker command to download the AWS SAM CLI using this wget package. So that's why here we have installed this wget package, because we are going to use this wget command. So let's install this using wget package. So using wget command. As you can see, it's done. Now, if you want to check, if I run the ls command, as you can see, the zip package. Okay. Now we need to unzip this package. So the command is unzip. So that's why here we have installed this unzip package also. So let's verify the integrity and authenticity of the downloaded installer file, AWS CLI Linux, this zip file, and unzip the installation file. Okay, into this SAM installation folder. Okay, we need to unzip this installation file into this folder. So first of all, as you can see here, if I run the ls command, now as you can see, there is only one file with the name this zip file. Okay, now we are going to unzip these packages, and we are going to unzip this package into this folder. Which folder? SAM installation. Okay. Okay. Now, as you can see, if I run the ls command, and we have successfully unzipped this package, and we have successfully unzip this package into this folder, SAM installations. Okay. Then after that, let's install the AWS SAM CLI. Okay. So as you can see, we have successfully unzipped this package into this folder, SAM installation. So that's why the command is sudo and the folder name SAM installation. install. Okay, so let's install AWS SAM CLI using this command. Okay, it's done. Now you can verify, you can run now to check the status. Sorry, to check the version. As you can see, the SAM CLI version here. Okay, that means we have successfully installed this SAM CLI on this EC2 user, Amazon EC2 user. Okay, so it's done. Now the next step is configure the AWS CLI on EC2 instance. So to configure the AWS CLI, run the below command. So we need to configure. So how to configure? So the command is AWS configure. So after run this AWS configure command, it will ask your AWS access key ID, AWS secret access key. So we need to create this. Okay, so go to here AWS account and go to the your profile. Then go to the security credentials. And let's scroll down, as you can see here. Here you need to create your access key. So now, as of now, I have two access keys. So that's why the create access key is disabled. Okay. If I click on this action and click on this deactive or after that delete, then it will enable the create access key ID. So as of now, I have these two access key IDs. So that's why the button is disabled. You can click on this create access key ID. After that, you can create it. Okay. Now I have this access key. I have access key ID, so that's why I don't want to create new. Okay, as you can see here. Okay. So let's configure the AWS. Okay, using AWS configure command. And here, AWS access key ID. So enter your access key ID here. Then secret access key ID. Then region, so my region is Mumbai, that's why the region is AP South -1. And I'm going to skip it. Okay, we successfully configured our AWS. Okay, it's done. Now it's time to move next step. So the next step is download the sample SAM application. Okay, so to download the sample SAM application, run the below command. So the command is user local bin SAM init. Then it will ask which template source would you like to use. So one AWS Quick Start template. So that's why I'm going to enter one. After that, choose AWS Quick Start application template. So I'm going to choose this template, Hello World example. So the one. Then use most popular runtime packages if you want. Then as you can see, the most popular runtime packages. No, I don't want. So that's why here I'm going to enter N. Then here I'm going to choose this Node.js 20.x. So that's why here I'm going to enter 11. Then the package will be zip file. Then hello world example. So would you like to enable X-ray tracking applications? As you can see, so yes, I'm going to enable. So no, I don't want. So I'm going to enter N. So here, yes, I want. Then enter. Project name SAM app. It's cloning. So wait for a few seconds. As you can see, our project name is SAM app, runtime, Node.js, architecture, dependency, application template, output directory, configuration file, right? And next step can be found in the README file at this SAM file. Okay. If I run the ls command, as you can see, the SAM app, right? So let's inside this. And for the ls command, as you can see, readme, events, hello world, sam config toml, then templates.yaml file. If you want to check the next step, then you can run the command cat And as you can see in this readme file, you can see your hello world, then deploy the SAMP application, build, and after that we are going to run this command to deploy. Right. So you can see the details. Okay. Okay. So I'm going to clear. Okay. Now, after that, here you can see build and deploy your application. Okay, to build the application, run the below command. So let's build our application. So the command is user local bin sam build use container. So we are in this SAM app, right? So now let's build our application using this following command. As you can see, fetching public ECR, AWS SAM build Node.js and Docker container images. So it's building our image. So it takes few seconds. So wait for few seconds. Okay. So as you can see, it's running, right? You can see. Okay. Then build architecture. As you can see, then build template. And you can see commands you can use for next. Okay. It's done. Okay. Now for deploy, SAM deploy guided, we need to run this command after that. Okay. Right. Okay. So as you can see, it may take up 5 minutes to build. Okay. Make sure you are present at the SAM location that is inside the hello world. That means that the SAM app, right? You are in present. Oh, okay. Now, after that, to deploy an application, run the below command. So before deploy, I'm going to open my CloudWatch. Sorry, I'm going to open my cloud formation. As of now, as you can see, there is no any stack here. Okay. After building, we have this stack here. So used to deploy this application. So let's deploy. Let's copy. Okay. Okay, my stack name is SAM app and my region is AP South-1. So yes, I confirm these changes. Then as you can see, the creation, you can see here I mention the creation, yes. Then disable rollback, yes. Hello foundation, okay, yes. Then yes, and SAM configuration file, yes. And for this, hit enter. Okay, now look for resource needed for deployment, creating the requirement sources. If I go to here, as you can see, it's review in progress. Now it's create. So is in progress. So wait for a few seconds. As you can see in stack is in progress. Right. So it takes few seconds to complete. So we need to wait for few seconds to complete. As you can see, it's create complete. Okay. So there is a problem. The bucket can be automated turn off settings solved. Okay. Wait a second. I'm going to Run again. Okay, it's successfully built. Now let's deploy. SAM deploy. Confirm changes. Yes. Creation. Yes. 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 Just a second. Yes. Okay. Now as you can see, it's creating, because as you can see in this error, there is a not supported file, this .toml extension. That's why here I'm going to enter no. I'm going to enter hit enter for this. Okay, simply press on hit enter. Okay, as you can see, it's done. Okay, so simply here in this step, hit enter. Okay, before we have enter y for yes, so that's why there is error. So simply there is no, it will not ask yes or no, right? So that's why simply press enter. So that's why it gave us error before. Now it's done. You can see it's succeed. Okay, now deploy these changes. Yes, I want to deploy these changes. Now as you can see, it's creating progress. Changes created successfully. Okay. As you can see, some are create complete, some are creating progress. Okay. As you can see, the message cloud formation output from deploy stack, and it successfully created updated stack SAM app in AP South 1. Let's check. As you can see, SAM app. Right, you can see the message SAM app in AP South 1. This region, and you can see create complete in this stack. Okay, you can see. And the second one is this AWS SAM CLI managed default. And the first one is, you can see the creation timing and date, right? So that's a stack. And also, if you go to your S3 bucket, as you can see, there is a bucket AWS SAM CLI managed default. You can see the timing and date. You can see the created timing, right? If I click on this, you can see the SAM app folder. And in this, you can see the templates and so on the files, right? That's the bucket. Okay. So after that, here in this, you can see open cloud formation console page. You will find a stack is getting created, and wait for its complete and refresh the page. After your confirmation, the stack will create all the resources. So the copy the value of API URL and paste in the new tab of your browser. So let's check. As you can see here, the API, you can see here, the API here, Hello World API, API gateway endpoint URL for broad stage for Hello World function. So let's copy the value and open a tab. And as you can see the message, hello world. Pretty print, don't want, right? That means here we have successfully deployed the SAM app, right? So it's done. So in this session, we have learned how to deploy a sample Hello World app using AWS SAM. Right? So thank you for watching, and I hope you understand.